Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to withdraw cash that has been held by PayPal for over 180 days, or maybe cash that has been held on a permanently limited PayPal. Ensure you stick with me to the end of the video. I'll be taking you one-on-one. In case you have funds that has been held, ensure you reach me out and be able to assist you over 180 days. So uh, PayPal happens to holds one's cash over 180 days. In case you fail to provide the required documents they are asking you, in case your PayPal is not verified, they will hold your account. They will permanently limit your account. So for this account, you can see your access is permanently limited. After viewing, we have decided to permanently limit your account due to potential risk. You will not be able to conduct any further business using PayPal. So as we can see, so when we try to check here, it tells us that that there is a problem with the account. Be sure to restore full access. Restore your account issues. So when we try to restore our account issues, it gives us a disclaimer that our PayPal has been permanently. This is the screenshot that tells you that your PayPal has been permanently limited. So you can see it tells us that you can't use PayPal anymore. So what we'll be doing, we can see the reference number. What we'll try to do, we will come and really try to remove this cash that has been held. The PayPal was limited, but there were $49 that had were inside. So what we'll do, we'll use our Community Federal Savings Bank. We'll be able to transfer with it. So the very first thing that we come to access our Community Federal Savings Bank, we'll come here. We'll go to PayPal balance. We can see that we've set the PayPal balance as the preferred payment method. So the very first thing that we'll do, we'll remove this bank. We'll try to delete this bank. Once we remove it, then we will attach it again. So that once I'm reattaching it again, I really want to demonstrate that once you reach me out through my newest video, in the description link you'll find my WhatsApp number. You'll find I'll be able to assist you when it comes linking PayPal and Payoneer. And in case you have funds that has been held over 180 days, I'll be able to assist you at a small token of appreciation. So ensure you appreciate my content. For such appreciative, and if you find it educative, ensure you subscribe. So what we'll do, we really come and remove this bank. Once we click remove this bank, to attach Community Federal Savings Bank, we'll come to our Payoneer account. Then we'll come to our home balance. Once we come to our home balance, we'll come to receive. We'll see Global Payment Service. Once we come to Global Payment Service, you will find that these are my Community Federal Savings Banks. Also, this is my UK bank. So in case you need any assistance, your cash has been held, I'll be able to assist you. Just reach me out. You can see this is my Community Federal Savings Bank. Community Federal Savings Bank. Here it is. So what we'll do, we'll come since it's already attached. You can see it's already attached here. 5309. We'll just say transfer funds. And this is fund that has been held over 180 days, mind you. You can see the PayPal is limited. It tells us transfer to your bank account. Usually take one business day. So we'll just say click and we'll be able to transfer. Then we'll see we are picking the balance from available balance from our PayPal account. So we'll see it's in processing. So we need to receive a text code from the owner of the account to authorize we have to get this code from our text message to get for this transaction to process. So we can say once we put the code, PayPal will have to send us the code. It tells us we will have to resend it again. Maybe it was late. So it tells us identity confirm. It tells us transfer the cash to the available balance. We are picking cash from available balance. We'll transfer the entire amount of cash to Community Federal Savings Bank. It will take 1 business day. We'll say transfer now. Once we say transfer now, we say your transfer of the community is done, and I think we will be good to go. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. In case you have your funds that has been held in cash, ensure you reach me out through my newest video. In the description link, you'll find my WhatsApp number where you'll be able to contact me directly. Again, I would love those who are new to Payoneer, who would love the Community Federal Savings Bank enabled, reach me out. I have a referral code. Come to, once you come here, I'll come to refer a friend. Once you successfully register using my code, you'll be able to earn yourself. You'll be able to earn yourself you'll be able to earn yourself $25 US. You just come copy paste. In my description link, you'll find this link. It is in my description link. You'll be able to find it. This is the page. It is officially recognized since I'm a Payoneer affiliate. Get paid in marketplace. Sign up and earn yourself $25 US. I have an evidence. So far I have 14 people who have joined, and all of them have earned themselves $25 US using my link. And I have let me show you an evidence. I'll be showing an evidence of where somebody has just registered. They earned themselves $25 US, and I said earn $25 US. In case once you use my link, in the description link of my YouTube channel of this video, you will find the link. You will find the link there to register if you are new to Payoneer. So let me show you an evidence. Somebody who had just registered, I earned myself $25 US, and also themselves they earned themselves $25 US. In my transactions, we can see Payoneer award. Then we can see transaction ID. This is this is a Payoneer award of $25 US. So ensure you stick with me. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. This is the page. Just come to my description link and ensure you enjoy yourself. A happy 2020